Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw one of my favorite foods, and that is carrot cake. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our carrot cake, we're going to begin with the top. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw a long line that's just going to come right across the top of our paper. Make it a little longer. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and I'm going to make a little wavy line right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over and then down. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'll make it a little wavy again. Then I'm going to bring it down again. I'm going to come across and up. I'm going to draw a line down again. I'm going to make it a little wavy one more time, and then we'll come down. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes across, and we're going to go up. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then over. Right up here at the top, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come back down for the carrot. And then right here, I'm going to make a couple little kind of pointy, bumpy lines. Then I'm just going to add some little curved lines on here. Now, starting here, I want to make the face. So I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, then I'll draw another circle for an eye. I'll put a little black dot inside each one. Then we'll draw a little mouth by making a line that goes over and then up. We'll add a little line for the tongue, and then we'll color this part in. Last, we're going to put this on a plate. So I'm just going to start here, and I'll make a little line that just goes out. It's going to come around and back. And then I'll do the same thing down here. And there you go, there is your drawing of some carrot cake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.